up, guys? So this is Zyra again for a new vlog again. By the way, update here in Italy, here in our place, the quarantine is almost over, so we can go outside to like laag-laag on March 4, but it's better to stay home pa din, and some stores can start to open. Okay, by the way, for today's vlog, we're gonna bake some crinkles. It's like a Filipino kind of cookie. Social. Yes. Okay, let's get started. So if you're wondering why I have this like hoodie, it's because my hair is wet and I didn't blow my hair.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, first ingredient, we need to make it with love. Diba ma? Am I right? I have audience singular. My mom is right here, so I feel like so awkward. Okay, first of all, we're gonna add 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. That's the very first. So here, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of white sugar. If you don't have white sugar, actually, it's better if you use brown sugar. But if you don't have brown sugar, let's use white sugar. 1 cup of white sugar. Oh, perfect. 1 cup of white sugar. Okay. Like that. And 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, any vegetable oil. Actually, this is corn oil. Am I right, Mom? Like that. And then we're gonna mix this. Okay, we're gonna mix this. I can say that crinkles is the easiest. Thing to bake, but you need to be careful. So I've used unsweetened cocoa, so this is less sweeter than usual. So it should look like this, like you see, it should look like that. Okay, when they're already combined, when you have this texture like that, diba? They're all combined, there's no powder left. We're gonna add 2 large eggs. Okay. Damn, like a pro. I think I'm turning into a baker. And now we're gonna need a mixer. You remember my Dalgona coffee? I've used a mixer. So we're gonna use a mixer. Okay, do you follow?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Here's the mixer. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then it should look like this, like that. And after this, and after all that cheche bureche, we're gonna add 1 cup of flour. So there's no snow this year, so we're just gonna make snow here. So what do you guys do when you're bored? I actually just play on my phone. This time we're baking again for a new content because my siblings. You know my siblings? I'm sure you've seen Kuya and Krista. And also my parents. They really don't like to vlog with me, guys. As if, like, super, they don't like to vlog with me. I'm so tired of them na. I'm sure they're tired of me too. We're tired of each other now. So, if you're wondering why this is so small, because we don't have the big one. Who's gonna adjust me? You. If you have the big one, use the big one. It's easier. Okay. With this last one, we're gonna add salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. And the salt, where is the salt? So, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna add also 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So, this is my baking powder. And we're gonna finish turning it. And you're gonna mix this churva. We're gonna mix that. Charot. Okay, should look like that. And we're gonna refrigerate this for 2 hours. So, I wasn't able to film last night because I fell asleep. Prepare a powdered sugar in a bowl. Okay, like that. And then, let's prepare circle. And then, we're gonna put this so, like that. This is the no. We're gonna place it here and we're gonna squish. We're gonna push. And then repeat the process. Then here it should look like this, and we're gonna put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. And that's gonna stay there for like 12 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, it should look like this. We're gonna take it out from the oven and don't touch it directly. And then let it cool down for like about 2 minutes or 5. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you learned how to make crinkles. See you next time. Bye-bye.